Hello children, this is lesson 22 books and authors. In this chapter, we are going to study about some of the important books and their authors. You know children, who are authors? Authors are the person who write the book. You know that someone is there who is writing the book, who had written the book. So the person who had written the book is said to be writer or authors. Writer or authors. So here you can see the name of the some books and images. These are the images. Images of that book. Related images are there. So first of all, here is that Good Night Moon. Good Night Moon. That is the name of the book and this is the related image. Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. The name of the book is Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Start Little. Start Little. The Jungle Book. The Jungle Book. The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. Alice Adventures in Wonderland. Alice Adventures in Wonderland. So these are the some of the important books that are for children, and these books are very interested also, and you should read that books to get some knowledge, to improve your language and vocabulary. Okay, so here I have taken some of the questions from this chapter. First question is, what are the benefits of reading books? I repeat, what are the benefits of reading book? You also have to read with me children so that you can improve your reading. So the answer is, the habit of reading books help us improve vocabulary, grammar and language skill. When we read book children, what happens? We improve our vocabulary. Vocabulary means that word power. You get new words. You learn new words. That is vocabulary. Grammar. It improves your grammar also. Sometimes when we speak, we do grammatical mistake. Instead of are, we say is. Instead of she, we say he. That is the grammatical mistake which normally children do. So by reading their books, this grammatical mistakes will not occur. You will not get the grammatical mistake. And language skill, it also improves our language skill, that you can speak fluently what you want to say. So that is the language skill. So benefits of reading book, when we read the book, these are the benefits, these are the advantages, that it improves vocabulary, grammar and language skills. Question 2. Write the book name with the help of given description. Write the book name. You have to write the name of the book with the help of given descriptions. Here some descriptions are given, some details are given. You have to read the detail and write the name of the book. First, it is a bedtime story book written by Margaret Brown. This storybook is written by, who is the author? Margaret Brown. And it is a bedtime storybook. Bedtime storybook means sometimes while we sleep, we listen stories, no, or we read stories. So this is the bedtime storybook written by Margaret Brown. He is the author of the book. It is about a rabbit's routine before he goes to bed. This book is related to a routine of a rabbit. This is the story of a rabbit, and it has some routine before he goes to bed, before he goes to sleep. And the name of the book is Good Night Moon. Good Night Moon. Okay. The name of the book is Good Night Moon. It is about the rabbit and the author is Margaret Brown. These things you have to remember. Second, it is a storybook written by Roald Dahl. This is the storybook written by Roald, R-O-A-L-D, Roald Dahl. It features the adventures of young Charlie Bucket inside the chocolate factory. This is the story written by Roald Dahl, and the features of that is the adventure of young Charlie Bucket. One boy is there whose name is Charlie, has the bucket inside the chocolate factory. So the name, this is the story about the Charlie, a young boy, and who has the bucket inside the chocolate factory. One factory is there, which is the chocolate factory, and he has his bucket in that factory. Okay, so the name of the book is Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Third, it is a novel written by E.B. White. Author is E.B. White. It is about the adventures of little boy in New York City who looks a lot like a mouse. So the author is E.B. White and the adventure of a little boy in New York City. So there was a little boy who lived in a New York City and who looks a lot like a mouse, and the boy looks like a mouse. This story is about that boy, and the name of the book is Start Little. Start Little. Here you can see fourth point. It is a story book written by Rudyard Kipling. This storybook is a storybook which is written by Rudyard Kipling. It is about a boy named Mowgli. This book is written on the name of a boy Mowgli who was raised by wolves, who was taken care by the wolves, and the name of the book is The Jungle Book. You remember, children, Mowgli, Bagheera. This storybook, that is the name of the book, is Jungle Book, and it is written by Rudyard Kipling. Fifth, it is a novel written by Mark Twain. It is a novel. This is the novel. Novel is bigger than story. Many stories are there in one novel. So that book is quite thick, and it is written by Mark Twain. Mark Twain. It is about a naughty boy named Tom. This novel is written on the naughty boy whose name was Tom, who always seems to get into trouble. This naughty boy, no, Tom, he was always in trouble. So this is the novel written on the boy named Tom and who was always in trouble. The name of the book is The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. The Adventure of Tom Sawyer. Sixth, it is a storybook written by Lewis Carroll. The author is Lewis Carroll. It is about a little girl named Alice. This book is written about a little girl whose name was Alice, who falls down a rabbit hole. You know, children, this little girl, no, she falls down a rabbit hole, on the hole of rabbit, and lands into a fantasy world, and she reached to the fantasy world, and the name of the book is Alice Adventures in Wonderland. Alice Adventure in Wonderland. So these are what the books which are described in your book. If you are interested in reading of this book, you can buy that book and read it. Books are very interesting. Otherwise, you learn all this name of the book and their authors, book and their authors, and what details I have described you. Okay, write this as a notes in your copy. This no read and each descriptions, what points I had given and one question I had given, that you have to write in the copy. Thank you, children.